A high-level inter-ministerial meeting under the central government recently took note of the progress of the PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan. Daanish joins us now with more. Daanish, take us through what ministries have had to say on the progress.
Well, the government recently conducted its monthly meeting to review the progress of PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan. Sources have told CNBC-TV18 that officials from 7 ministries, which included MORTH, Railways, Shipping, Telecom, Petroleum, Power and New and Renewable Energy met and apprised an inter-ministerial group about the progress. We have exclusively reviewed these submissions, so all 7 ministries said that the National Master Plan has not only saved significant time, but it has also saved the cost for project planning and coordination between ministries. Ministry of Road, Transport and Highways said Gati Shakti NMP has a significant impact on planning national highways and data layers have helped to optimize key infra projects. Ministry of Railways was able to plan 126 projects this year and the time for planning a project has come down to 7 days. NMP helped Telecom Ministry to plan 4G coverage for approximately 25,000 villages. Ministry of Petroleum said it has been able to plan and execute CDG projects better. Ministry of Power and New Renewable Energy told the inter-ministerial group they were able to map transmission lines, map capacity of substations existing and under construction interstate transmission systems. The PM Gati Shakti Network Planning Group is coordinating with other ministries to integrate last mile connectivity projects. More review meetings are expected to take place regularly to speed up critical infra projects.
Daanish, many thanks for joining us.